Most dogs don't suddenly get cancer. It starts quietly, almost invisibly. Weeks, sometimes months, before you notice anything. A small lump, a tiny drop in energy, a change so subtle, so normal, you don't even think twice about it. And here's the hardest truth. Almost every owner does the same thing, they ignore it. Until one day, they realize those small signs weren't small at all. And by then, time has already slipped away. In this video, I'm going to show you the early warning signs your dog might have cancer. Some are easy to miss, some happen slowly, and one of them is something you may have already seen and dismissed. If your dog means everything to you, don't skip this, because catching these signs early can be the difference. 1. The harmless lump. You're petting your dog, and suddenly, you feel it. A small bump, soft, maybe movable. And your first thought is, it's probably nothing. That's exactly what most people think. Cancerous lumps don't always look scary. They don't always hurt. They don't always grow fast. They just exist. Quietly, silently. Every day you wait. That lump could be growing, spreading, or affecting your dog's body in ways you can't see. If a lump stays, grows, or changes, don't wait. Don't hope. Check immediately. Time is the most precious thing. 2. Weight loss that doesn't make sense. Nothing changed. Same food, same walks, but slowly, your dog is getting thinner. At first, it's barely noticeable, a rib slightly more visible. You might think, maybe they've just been more active lately. Even if your dog is eating normally, their body might not absorb nutrients properly. It happens quietly, no vomiting, no dramatic symptoms. If you notice your dog losing weight without explanation, don't ignore it. Even subtle changes matter. 3. They stop enjoying food. Your dog used to love food. The sound of a bowl was enough to make them run. But now, they walk up slowly, they sniff the food, and then they just stand there. Or worse, they turn away. Dogs don't suddenly lose interest in food for no reason. When that excitement disappears, it usually means something deeper is going on. They eat a little slower, they leave a few bites, they skip one meal, then another. Dogs are incredibly good at hiding discomfort. They don't complain. So when their behavior changes, it's a message. 4. The energy shift most people miss. This one looks normal. Your dog still walks, still moves around, but they don't get as excited anymore. They don't play as long or as intensely. They get tired faster. Most people say they're just getting older, but healthy aging doesn't happen suddenly. This feels different quicker. They simply do less, play less, move less, react less, until that energetic version of them slowly fades. 5. Pain you can't explain. Your dog starts limping, just slightly, maybe after a walk, or after getting up from rest. They avoid certain movements. They hesitate before jumping. They pull away when you touch a certain spot. Some cancers affect the bones, the joints, and the pain builds slowly, quietly. Your dog won't cry out. If your dog shows pain that doesn't improve, don't assume it's minor. Pain is not just a symptom, it's a signal. 6. Strange smells or non-healing wounds. A wound that doesn't heal, a small sore that stays longer than it should, or a smell that wasn't there before, from the mouth, the skin, or anywhere unusual. Some cancers cause tissue to break down. That's why wounds don't heal. That's why unusual smells appear. 7. Behavior changes. This one is the hardest. It doesn't show up in the body, it shows up in their personality. They're quieter, more distant, less playful. Maybe they sleep more or avoid interaction. When your dog changes, it's communication. They're telling you something isn't right, and they need you to notice. Cancer doesn't appear overnight. It builds slowly, through small signs that are easy to ignore. Your dog trusts you completely. They rely on you to notice when something is wrong. And if you catch those signs early, you can give them something priceless. More time, more moments, more life. Tell me in the comments, what's one change you've noticed in your dog? I read every single comment. If you care about your dog's health, like this video, subscribe, and watch the next one.